you can shake it around. So just try shaking it. Yeah, just like that. So you know what I want to find out? No. Firstly, the car has been misfiring. I'm sure you don't even know what the misfire is. Close the door. Your camera shy? No. So I want you to put the keys in the ignition. Here? Yeah. Just put it, don't turn it first. You've put it? Yeah. So for a manual car, you always have to make sure it's in neutral. So neutral is literally where like this line is. You've seen that middle line there? Yeah. That's neutral, meaning it's not in any gear. It's not in gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or reverse. So for you to know that it's in neutral, you can shake it around. So just try shaking it. Like this? Yeah. No, not like that. Doing this. So if you're in gear, you can't do that. So for example, this is now gear 1. So try and shake it the way you were shaking. You've seen that you can't really do it, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so now when you bring it in, so now this is neutral. So now this is easy to start. So what I'm trying to find out now is whether the car will misfire or not. But usually when we start it, it doesn't misfire. So I don't know what will happen, whether it will misfire or not. But we'll let it run for a while. Just for it to warm up as well, because it's been staying for a long time. So you start it up now. Okay. So when it starts, you even let go of the key. Okay, let go. Just like that. But you don't rev a car when you just start it, because the engine is cold. The oil has to recirculate. Just give it some baby rev. Just pa. Rev it a bit. Pa. Here. No, on the accelerator. Here. Just a bit. Pa. Yeah, just like that. So if you can you see those numbers up to 6 there? Yeah. That's what you call a rev count. So the higher you rev it, the more it goes to that side. Meaning that's the faster the engine is spinning. That's why there's 1, 2, 3. So it's not just 1, 2, 3 like the literal numbers. It's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Meaning the engine would turn 1,000 times per minute. That's what it means. Rev it again for a bit. Okay. Just a bit. I can't even hear the misfire now, but it usually starts once the car is warm enough or you've driven around a bit. I hope you hear it. And that's the weird part, because after a while, when you just start it, there's no misfire, but after a while, there's a misfire. So I need help. What's wrong? You guys can actually tell, but it's raining heavily. It literally started at 03. I haven't even slept since then. And I was planning on changing the tire on the car, so I doubt I'll do that today. I just came underneath the car, and I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me just try to make it clear. But I don't know if this is a fuel line that comes from the tank, and it's been like rubbing against the propeller shaft. And if you can see, it was almost getting into the actual tube, because it's like there are 2 tubes in one. Yeah, so this is like the inner one. So imagine, this is just water dripping from above. We managed to change the tire, and I don't know why, but after driving it for a bit, the car has just been performing nicely, like there's no misfire. So I don't know what the actual problem is, but I'm still trying to find some tools. There must be something in the house that I can just like change the plugs, check if they're okay, and yeah, we should be done with that. In the meantime, before we actually get a cable tie to just tie it up properly, I just want to put the wire. And sorry for not showing yesterday's video of us changing the tire, because that was very fun actually. Blame it on the owner of the phone, because he doesn't have enough space on his camera. I need to buy a phone. I don't know if you guys can hear the misfiring, because this is the only time that I can hear it after just driving it for a bit. and it's pretty evident that it's misfiring. My trousers is falling off right now. I kind of want to rev it for you guys, but I don't want to disturb my neighbors because they're sleeping. This is 2110. So yeah, that's a misfire that I've been talking about. Good way to end the video actually. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.